Hello gardeners. In this video, I will show you how to grow more strawberry plant from baby runner for free and easy. Buying strawberry plants from the garden center can be expensive. About 3 months ago, I purchased 2 pots of strawberry plants from Lowe's for $25. I got 6 strawberry plants from those 2 pots I purchased. I planted them all in separate hanging container. The wonderful thing about strawberry plant is they send out baby runners. Normally you have to cut these runners from the mother plant, so the mother plant focusing on growing bigger fruits. However, instead of throwing the baby runners away, why not pot them up and grow more strawberry plants? So in this video I will show you 2 easy methods to propagate them. Method number 1 is simple as clipping the baby runners from the mother plant, pot them up with soil and wait for new roots to grow. Although, this first method does works, however, because the baby runner's root hasn't fully established, by cutting it from the mother plant, the baby plant could die before more roots grow. Method number 2 I found works best. Just using aluminum foil, wrap the baby runners with soil, and allow it to grow more roots, before clipping it from the mother plant. This method ensured the baby runners still gets nutrients from the mother plant, while establishing healthier roots. After 2 weeks, you should see more healthy roots like these. At this point, all you have to do is clip the baby runners from the mother plant, then just pot them up with moist soil. Keep your baby strawberry plants in partial shade for about a week. This ensured the baby strawberry plant gets established, before moving it out to full sun. Just so satisfying that we can all growing more of something for nothing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.